stop struggling with your personal number showing up on calls. Today, you'll learn exactly how to hide your Google Voice number in just a few minutes, giving you complete control over your privacy. Hey everyone, I'm Anna, and welcome to For Real. If you've ever used Google Voice to make a call for your side hustle, online selling, or just to keep your personal number private, you might have felt that little bit of anxiety. Did they just see my real number? It can be frustrating when a tool designed for privacy accidentally exposes your information. You're in the right place because we're going to fix that for good. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to enable anonymous caller ID right inside the Google Voice app. No complex workarounds, no third-party apps, just one simple setting. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make calls confidently, knowing your privacy is protected. I've used this feature for countless projects, and it's a lifesaver. Let's get started. Okay, step 1 is the easiest. Simply locate and open the Google Voice app on your phone. This will work whether you're on an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android device. When you open it, you'll land on your main screen, which usually shows your recent calls, messages, or voicemail. We need to get into the main menu from here. Now for step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see a menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on that. A side menu will slide out, giving you options like archive, spam, and so on. We want to find the settings option, which usually has a gear icon next to it. Tap on Settings to open up all the controls for your Google Voice account. Did you know? The concept of caller ID was developed way back in 1968 by Theodore George Paraskevakos. The first working prototype was created in 1971, but it didn't become widely available to consumers in the US until the early 1990s. Great, you're in the Settings menu. For step 3, you'll need to scroll down a bit. This menu is divided into sections like Account and Messages. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled Calls. This is where all the magic happens for controlling how your outgoing and incoming calls behave. This is a key area for managing your Google Voice privacy settings. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, please tap that like button below. It's a small click for you, but it really helps our channel reach and help more people just like you. Okay, back to the final and most important step. All right, you've made it to the final step. Inside the Calls section, look for an option that says Anonymous Caller ID. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle switch that is currently off. This is the feature that lets you hide my number. Go ahead and tap that switch. It should slide over and turn blue, indicating that the feature is now active. And that's it. From this moment on, any outgoing call you make through your Google Voice app will show up as private, restricted, or unknown to the person you're calling. Here's a quick pro tip. What if you need your number to show up for a specific call? It's simple. Just come right back to this same screen and tap the toggle switch again to turn it off. Your number will then be visible on your next call. You can toggle this on and off as much as you need, giving you flexible control over your privacy. And there you have it. In just 4 simple steps, you now know exactly how to hide your Google Voice number and make anonymous calls. No more worrying about your personal number getting out there. You can now manage your business, your online marketplace listings, or just your personal privacy with total peace of mind. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple tech tips for Google tools and beyond, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments, what other Google Voice feature should I cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.